She see money all around me. I look like I'm the man.
Hey guys, you might notice that something is different, something looks different, something looks even bigger than it normally does. If you want to see the video I just filmed on how I got this blown out look, you can go ahead and click above. But right now that the blow drying part is over, I'm going to attempt to do some twists. Wearable twists, not twists for a twist out, though that would be nice later when I take them down, but like to actually wear my twist. Now the biggest issue I have with this is shrinkage, because shrinkage is so disrespectful. You see all of this here on my head, right? Okay, watch when I'm done with these twists, how disrespectful the shrinkage is about to treat me. I'm going to do everything in my power to reduce the shrinkage, but I know that shrinkage will inevitably happen. I know it. Don't forget to subscribe down below and then click that notification bell so you never miss when I post new videos. And I guess we can go ahead and get into the video. I'm not being super specific about how straight the line is, just like kind of straight is good enough for me. So did I part a straight line? No. Is this gonna have to do? Yes. Not the straightest, not the most crooked, you know? So I'm just going to be using two products. One of them is the Curl Essentials Styling Butter, and the other one is the Main Choice Bold Buttery Gel. So I think of this back section, I'm going to do 4 twists. So like I said, I'm not going to be making perfect parts. Also, if you're going to try this style, be prepared to spend some time, because I've been told this takes a while, I can imagine. So I'm just going to take some of the butter, and then I'm going in with some of the gel, then dim and brush. So I'm gonna switch to using a little bit of aloe vera juice, not doing anything too crazy, because like I said, I really don't want it to shrink up to the utmost, whatever the heck. I'm not with that. So what I'm gonna do is just add a little bit of aloe vera. I already did it to this twist, but I'm just letting you guys know from now on, I will be adding that. Then the gel. And then just a little bit of aloe vera. Brush it together. And I'm just twirling the ends. I was a little heavy-handed with the product, so if you don't want to get a lot of shrinkage, I recommend definitely not using as much product as I did. So I saw that there was a lot of shrinkage, so I'm using bands to band my hair and give me some type of stretch with these twists. I did eventually do this all over my head, so you guys know. When you get to the end, make sure to twirl your twist. I wasn't very specific about my parts until I got to the very front of my head, and that's because people can actually see that part, so I wanted to make sure that the parts were kind of decent. And there you have it. This is how my mini twist turned out. I did get a decent amount of shrinkage, but I went ahead and stretched it out in the end like I said I would. And then they turned out like this. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next video.